Let's do some foodie vlog. Muna siya atong food today. Our siomai is pork and shrimp. So for our sauce for the siomai, we have garlic sauce. Mild lang siya ang iyang pagka-spicy. I bought this one from Filipino store. I think it's only $10. So sana siya ka jar nga small, and so perfect kayo sa atong siomai. We have my favorite ice cream. It's Chapman's, made from Canada. So very nice kay siya, kay ang iyang flavor is maple pecan, and very good pud ang combination sa ice cream with tornillos na obi flavor. So super yummy, manambok tadig samot na watay exercise. And for our drinks, it's the Coke. Lami kay siya after siomai and the lumpia. So bye, mora to.